Write an introduction to a YouTube video talking about the brand new AI tools in Google Labs, especially Help Me Write. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the brand new AI tools in Google Labs, especially Help Me Write. Hi, in this video, I'm reviewing Google Labs' new AI tool, Help Me Write. It can help you... Hi, in this video, I'm reviewing Google Labs' new AI tool, Help Me Write. It can help you with brainstorming, outlining, introductions, conclusions, and editing. I found it helpful for writing quickly and easily and improving quality. And here is a tutorial with some tips. Let's check it out. Google announced that it would be introducing AI into the Google Workspace. So currently it's only in beta form, but as you can see, it's working really well. And I don't have it on all my Google Workspaces because this is a personal account. It's not a business account. I think if you have a business type Google Workspace, then it's available for lots of things. It should be available for sheets. And help you formulate data in sheets and stuff like that. Today, we're looking specifically at the Help Me Write functionality within Google Docs, which is an absolute game changer, really. Yes, you could do this in ChatGPT and then transfer it to Google Docs, as I often do with a lot of stuff, and creations that I'm doing. The fact that it's built into Google Docs just makes life so much easier, especially when you're trying to be creative or you're staring at a blank piece of paper. Literally, here is the inspiration. So to get it, you just go over to Google Labs. Here we are. So try Google's latest experiments in Labs. And here you can join various wait lists to get on some of these things. So they've got Magic Compose in Google Messages, which I've signed up to, but it hasn't quite kind of come through to my phone yet. Also, you can help shape the future of information with their Google search functionality. Try experimental and AI-powered ways to explore information in Google search, but only if you're in the US. So it's not available here for the moment. And this is what I signed up here. Unlock new ways of working with AI. Connect, create, collaborate like never before with new generative AI experiences in Google Workspace. I signed up with that and I was in straight away. Project Tailwind is your first AI notebook grounded in the information you choose and trust. Tailwind is an experiment and currently available in the US only. Anyway, the one thing that I did sign up to and I was successful with is Google Docs. And here it is. Basically, in Google Docs, you have this wonderful little pen. So if I get rid of that, discard changes, whatever I want to write a document about, you can just click on the little magic Help Me Write. And here you go. You can just kind of basically write a letter or a reply, a letter to a product company confirming I will take a sponsorship at the video. Okay. And then just hit create. So whenever you're in those moments of just can't think how to reply, here you go. Instant letter, dear product company. I'm writing to confirm I will take the sponsorship at £250 per video. I'm excited to partner with your company and promote your product to my audience. I have a large social media following, blah, 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 blah. And there you go. And if you don't like it, you can just hit either recreate and it will recreate it for you. I'm writing to confirm that I will take the sponsorship. I'm excited to partner with your company and promote your product to my audience. I have a large following on social media and I'm confident I can help reach your target audience, blah, blah, blah. Let's refine it. Let's elaborate. Let's extend it a bit more. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to confirm I will take the sponsorship. And it just extends it there a little bit more. Why don't we just rephrase it? And there we are. It breaks it down. Not only does it rephrase it, it tells you I've rephrased the text as follows. I have replaced I am writing to confirm with I am writing to confirm I will accept the sponsorship. So instead of take the sponsorship, I will accept the sponsorship. I've replaced I'm excited to partner with your company and promote your product to my audience with I'm excited to partner with your company and help you promote your product to my audience. Yeah. So there we go. And if you're happy with any of that, you can just kind of insert it. Let's refine. I want to formalize. More formal, please. I hope this email finds you well. I'm writing to confirm that I accept the sponsorship at £250 per video. I'm excited to partner with your company and help you promote your product to my audience, blah, blah, blah. And there you go. And if you're happy, you just insert it. Boom. There you go. This is ideal for kind of writing letters or responses, just those mundane things, usually to companies. If you're writing to a company to complain about something, and you want to be firm but polite, these are great ways of doing it, because AI is going to do it kind of slightly less emotional than you. If you're kind of writing to complain and you don't want to sound like a right Karen, then, you know, use something like this and it will, you know, just give it the right facts, the right information, and it can kind of compose a letter for you. Really, really useful. There you go. Job done. As I said, really versatile. It can do so much stuff. An email expressing appreciation for a retirement party, a social post to promote an up-and-coming whatever, poem about a woman living independently in the woods, hope, how to guide for operating a lawnmower. I mean, you can just literally put anything in here. Let's write a poem. Okay, write a poem to a beautiful Japanese woman in Osaka. Let's see what Byron-esque like beauty comes forth. Oh, beautiful Japanese woman in Osaka. Okay. A bit on the nose there. Your stars are like the stars in the night sky. Your hair is like the silk of kimono, and your skin is like the petals of cherry blossom. You are a vision of beauty. I'm captivated by your charm. I could gaze upon you for hours and never tire of your beauty. You are a treasure, and I am lucky to have met you, and I will cherish our time together. Beautiful. Beautiful. However, we can refine it. Let's elaborate. Let's collaborate, elaborate. And there we are. Your hair is like the silk of kimono, soft and smooth, flowing like a river. Okay, it gives the allegory, and then it explains the allegory. Your skin is like the petals of cherry blossom. You know, delicate and fair, a thing of beauty to behold. Don't like that, it just explains it too much. How about we shorten? Get in there. You are a beautiful woman in Osaka with eyes like stars, hair like silk, and skin like petals. I am captivated by your charm, grace, and wit. You are a treasure to be cherished. Thank you for being you. Not really a poem, and I'm sure actually ChatGPT is probably write the better poem. Let's recreate it. There we are. That's more like it. Nice short poem. In Osaka, a beautiful woman with eyes like the night sky and hair like the sun. She's a vision of grace and a delight to behold. I'm smitten by her beauty, and I hope to one day call her mine. There we are. Beautiful. So anyway, enough of that nonsense. Just wanted to show you this is such a powerful, useful tool. Yes, as I said, you can kind of do this in ChatGPT 4, and I think ChatGPT 4 is probably more creative, if you can describe an AI like that. Often I find the results a bit more creative. But for letter writing and things like that, just for kind of quite formal stuff, boring stuff, this is such a great asset. I mean, you could just sort of cut and paste an email in. Let's see if we can do that. Let me just, okay. So why don't we go, let's see if this works. Respond to the following email thanking them on information about the courses. Okay, and then I put the email in, and let's see whether that works. So I've cut and pasted in basically the email that I was sent, and now this hopefully will give me a reply. And hopefully once, obviously, this functionality is going to be added to Gmail. So there we go. Thank you for your email, dear Anne. It gives the name. It's got the name. Thank you for your email information about NVIDIA training. I'm very interested in learning about graphics and simulation, and your suggestions are very helpful. I'll definitely check out the learning paths, course catalog, and free training. I'm also excited to try out Omniverse and join the Omniverse forum. I'll let you know if you have any questions. And there you go. And just insert your name. You go insert, and there you go. And this is the same tool that will feature in Gmail, so you won't have to do it in Google Docs as I've done in here. So I just wanted to really quickly show you the Help Me Write tool that Google will be rolling out to Google Docs. They'll also be doing one, as I say, for Excel and other things, also for text messages, also for Gmail and stuff like that. Really, really exciting times. At the moment, still in beta form, but it won't be long until this is standard. And as I say, it's going to be such a time saver being able to write letters and emails sort of instantly without having to really think about it when you want to kind of get important facts and information across, but you're just not too sure how to phrase it. Well, just get Google Help Me Write to do it for you. Well, there you go. A quick one there. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes because I like it. YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new here, arigato gozaimasu, I'd be most grateful if you could hit that subscribe button, toggle that notification bell, and that way you'll know when I go live with information just like this. And talking of videos just like this, well, I tell you what, check out these ones over here. Yeah? The ones over here on the other side of this screen. Check them out. I think you'll enjoy them. Thank you.